Good morning, students. As we know that our statistics chapter is going on, and so far we have discussed how to find the mean and the mode of the group data as well as ungrouped data. And in the mean we have done that by three methods, that is direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. Now come to the third and the last central tendency of the statistics, that how to find the median of group data as well as ungrouped data. Now in class 9th we have already studied how to find the median of ungrouped data. How to find the median of ungrouped data? For example, we have given certain frequencies or other observations as individual. These are not in the form of groups. So we have already know the process of finding the median, and that is if the number of observations are odd, then the formula of median is n plus 1 divided by 2, and n here number of observations and representing number of observations. So in ungrouped data, when the observations are giving as in individual form, then the median is n plus 1 divided by 2, and when number of observations are odd. Similarly, when number of observations are even, you can say number of observations are even, then median is given by the formula n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. The average of n by 2th term and n by 2th plus 1 divided by 2. So you can say in case of even number of observations and you have to find the median of the ungrouped data. So how will you find n upon 2th term and n upon 2th plus 1 divided by 2? So on the basis of the median of ungrouped data, we have already discussed the questions in the previous class, and now come to the new topic, that is how to find the median of the grouped data. Here it is the formula written, how to find the median of grouped data, that is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C of f. Here Cf is the new term, multiply h divided by f. So L we have already is the term that is used in the mode as well, that is the lower limit of the model class. Here we will use, and here we will use the L is belongs to the lower limit of the median class. N by 2, n basically means the total number of observations, or you can say the number of frequencies or the sum of the frequency. N here is represents the sum of frequency. C of f is the new term that represents commutative frequency. C of f is commutative frequency. So now the formula for the median, L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f multiply height. Height is basically the class size, that is upper limit minus lower limit. This is the formula to find the median of the group data. Now see, the intervals are given, means intervals are in the form of groups, and you can say the data which we are having here is in the form of group, so that's why it is called grouped data. Frequency is given, and if we totalate frequency, it will comes out to be 5 plus 3 8 plus 4 12 15 18 22 29 29 and 9, that is 38 38 and 7 45 and 8 53. So here it is n. Total observations or total frequencies, it is 53, so it is denoted by n. Now here you have to find the commutative frequency. What do you mean by the commutative frequency? Commutative frequency basically comes in the concept of the median. In the interval 0 to 10, the frequency is 5. So if I ask up less than 10 marks, the frequency is 5. So we will write here 5. This is less than type. Here the commutative frequency we can find by less than type as well as more than type. We will discuss the more than type in the coming videos. Now today we will understand what you mean by the less than type. So 0 to 10 means less than 10 marks you are having 5 number of students. Then 10 to 20 you have 3. And if I ask you less than 20 means you will add both this, so it will come out to be 8. So basically commutative frequency means we have to add up while we are moving forward in less than type. For example, if I ask you number of students got less than 30 marks, so less than 30 marks here, less than 30 marks, 5 plus 4 5 plus 3 8 plus 4 12, so here we will write 12. Similarly less than 40, 12 plus 3 15. Similarly less than 50, 15 plus 3 18. Then 22, 22 plus 7 29. Then 29 plus 9 38, 38 plus 7, that is 45, and here it is 53. So you have also verified the result as the sum of the frequencies is 53, and here it is 53 as well. So here this is the value of n, as we know that n is 53, so n by 2 will comes out to be 53 divided by 2, that is n is 26.5. So n is 26.5. Now put all the, now here n is 26.5 means, sorry, n by 2 is 26.5, you can say that n by 2 is 26.5. n by 2 means you have got an idea, an approximate idea of the mid value, an approximate idea of the mid value. Now let's see from this commutative frequencies the number closer to 26.5. Here 26.5 lies between 22 and 29, but I guess 29 is closer to 26.5. So hence this is called median class. This will be called as median class because the mid value is approximately 26.5 and it is closer to 29, so it is called median class. Now put the values here. So median is equal to L, lower limit of the median class, that is 60, plus bracket n by 2, that is 26.5, minus C of f. Now what do you mean by the term commutative frequency? Basically we have to take the commutative frequency above the median class. Here the median class is this, and we have to take the commutative frequency just above the median class. This is commutative frequency, and we have to take the commutative frequency just above the median class. So this is BC of f, that is minus 22, divided by frequency of the median class, that is 7. This is median class and frequency is 7. Multiply height. Height is the class size, that is upper limit minus lower limit, this is 10. So here it is 60 plus bracket 26 minus 2, that is 4.5, multiply 10 divided by 7. Here it is, when we will solve it, the answer will come out to be 66.4. So hence 66.4 will be termed, or will be the answer, or will be the median of this given observation, this given grouped data. So what we have done, the formula is this. What we have done, this is less than type. Less than type means number of students below 10 marks, that is 5, it will remain 5. The number of students below 20, 5 plus 3 8, so we will write here 8. Number of students below 30, 5 plus 3 plus 4, so we will write here 12, like this. So in this way we can find the commutative frequency in less than type, and we will also discuss the questions how to find the commutative frequency in more than type. So in this video what we have discussed how to find the median in ungrouped data, that is odd and even, odd n plus 1 by 2, and in even case n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 upon 2, or you can say you have to find the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. And then the how to find the median of the group data, that is by the formula, and this is the question. This is the question which we have done by less than type. We will discuss more questions based on the median, and the questions based on more than type of the frequency. CF is the commutative frequency, and here we have done this type of question. So do practice the questions on the median of ungrouped data as well as group data, and keep reminding those formulas of mean as well as the mode. Do practice the questions of mean as well as mode. So in the next video we will continue the concept of median. Thank you.